The future of humanity cannot be peaceful or prosperous while young people face inequality, discrimination, and the absence of opportunity. Too often, education teaches theory, not real skills. For many young people, practical learning is out of reach. Between 13 and 24, dreams don't fade from lack of talent, they fade from lack of opportunity. But what if opportunity didn't wait? What if it traveled? We are SkillXpress. We deliver hands-on skills training to young people. They choose mechanical, electrical, technology, or business and learn by doing. We connect them to jobs, internships, and startup support. We create real pathways. This is quality education. This is decent work. This is how we leave no young person behind. Somewhere right now, there is a young mind full of potential, but no access, no guidance, no chance. If opportunity will not reach them, we will.